Hi. Okay. I feel like working. I set up my office. So we're going to sit down and do some work. I spray myself with some perfume because that always makes the day go better. And eat it while I'm at it. Okay, if you know me, I like to work on HIV cure. If you tune in and watch this, you'll know that that's what I do. Okay. So where I left off was, I don't know. Okay. The wind. Where I left off was, we were thinking about the shell of the HIV. Maybe I should get something to drink. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. Okay. I'm thinking. So this is my spectrum of HIV. And within HIV, it has I have to tell you, components. Component. COM. Please, just bear with me. That's not that I can't spell it. Okay. So what we're looking for is where it makes this. So when HIV replicates, it will like in a myeloid, it will replicate until it's dead. So it will keep producing offsprings until it died. So okay, so now you stand still because when you produce offsprings, they look exactly. Now let's go here. Let's go to Google Docs. Is that a script? Okay, thank God. Like my shit's already messed up enough. Exit this. Exit this. Exit this. Exit this. Exit this. I have to clear my screen. Actually, I have other stuff to do besides this. Morphology of HIV. Okay, so the capsid is composed of I'm still trying to learn how to be organized when I write things. Like, this is why you go to school. So, we're looking at the capsid, right? So, the capsid, and the reason why it keeps on reproducing so many times, it has 2,000 copies of the viral protein P21, P24. So protein P24 Okay, so what is protein? Protein P21. P24. HIV is a major core protein of HIV. It's key structural compound. So what we're looking for is the reason why this actually exists. So we can say that it's a protein, but really it exists because two someone. So okay, so there's a structural component of viral capsid that is used in early HIV diagnosis, particularly in fourth generation tests to detect both major core. That's not what I wanted. So when these reproduce, we don't want it to have this. So now we can try to dissect the cell. HIV-1 capsid is a chief structural component of the viral core. It's critical to determine the nuclear transport of the viral. HIV-1 interactions with NPC are dependent on CA, which make a direct contact with nucleofluorescent. Okay, so the chief structure component of the viral core is critical determinant in nuclear transport. Okay. So now I'm trying to understand how this actually works, like its processes. So in my head, what I believe is its processes is okay, so it's the protein comes from, where does this protein come from? Where does P24 come from? Called P55, which is encoded into the GAG gene, which is cleaved to the smaller polypeptides. So, group specific antigen is a polyprotein that contains the core structure of proteins of an orthovirus. GAG serves as the main structural protein for retroviruses and the primary driver of virus particle assembly. Okay. have to keep my notes because if not, I'm gonna lose them. Now that we know all this, we can make medicine. Okay, so basically, here's what I'm getting here. What just happened? Okay. Let me see. A lipid bilayer membrane with the viral glycoprotein G25 and G21. Cone-shaped protein composed of 2,000 copies of the viral protein P24. The cylindric structure contains 2 copies of the RNA genome as well as the enzyme reserve transcriptome integrase proteins. Immature and donut-shaped structure with a disordered. Okay. More compact cone-shaped structure with an ordered capsid and a tightly condensed RNA genome. Oh my God. You know what? We're going to stop for a second because we're trying to understand some stuff. I thought I could pause this. Edit. So I'm gonna come back because nobody's watching anyways.